Okay guys, so I made a lot of slimes, but I didn't have containers because I didn't buy any containers at Michael's. But I stored it in this container, which I had an old slime here, but it was very old and it was not stretchy. It was this one. It was butter slime, but it turned out very stiff and it has now passed a year and it's very stiff and I don't want to play with it anymore. So we're going to put that in a Ziploc bag. So here's the foam slime I was making earlier. Make sure you watch that video. And then the glitter slime I was making. So I'm going to mix them together. And hopefully it'll make like a pink glitter foam slime. And this jumbo Elmer's glue is humongous. Last time my sister bought a small one. And if you guys don't know who my sister is, her name is America. I'll try to convince her if she could be in one of these videos so you guys can see her. And my mom's behind the camera. And maybe I might start doing vlogs, like taking you guys to Walmart, Michael, stuff like that, and show you guys what I bought and stuff. So this is a slime. It's very pretty. I made it sticky so the foam beads will stick because I forgot I was making foam slime and I forgot how to make it. Well, it was easy, but I forgot like if you need it sticky or stiff. So I made it sticky just in case. And the foam beads are sticking, except for some of them. Some of them are falling. But still, it's like very nice and wavy. And I love Elmer's glue. And I'll review my second slime my mom is passing to you guys, which is the Nutella one. This one I used 99-cent Star Glue. So I'll get another. And so I put it in a Nutella container because I didn't have any more like containers. So, but my sister told me to dye it brown, but we don't have brown paint because I went to Michael's, but my grandpa only told me to get. He said how many things did he want, and he saw how many things I wanted. He's like, you should just stop for right now, and then maybe next time you'll get some. And I was like, okay. So I forgot to buy acrylic paint at Michael's, and this is my slime. I added some of these Dollar Tree glitter and Dollar Tree beads. And I used the 99-cent Source paint. I'm going to put that right back in there. And first it was Christmas tree slime because, as you guys can see, look, there's a Christmas tree star. And there's some ornaments in there. The last slime is this one. It's like glittery slime. I used glue and I used 99-cent Star glue because we couldn't go to Michael's since it was too far away because we were too busy and stuff, so we didn't go. But now we went to Michael's again. And that is it, you guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time. And make sure this video gets 100 thumbs up. And hope you guys subscribe. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. And my mom's gonna invite you guys. Bye. Mom.